So before I start, I will ask you a question. Has anyone been to Nyland College? Put your hand up. Yes, all?
Yes, all.
Okay, thank you. Good. You have been to Nyland College. So I'm going to talk about the differences and similarities between Nyland College and high school I have experienced in Cambodia. So differences between both schools. First difference is school environment. So in Nyland College, it is more spacious than high school I have experienced in my country, and Nyland College is cleaner than high school I have experienced. You know, there is no rubbish on the playground, but in my country there must be some plastic bag on the playground and papers. And another difference is classroom. In Nyland College, the age of students are the same for one classroom. But in my country, high school in Cambodia, the age of students in a classroom is different. So the students have different age. And another difference is number of students in the classroom. In Nyland College, the number of students per classroom between 25 to 35. But in high school I experienced in Cambodia is between from 25 to 60. Right, to 60. That is big. And the biggest difference is equipment. You know, in Nyland College we have science class equipment for students, so they learn and they have the equipment, and technology class equipment as well. But in my country, high school I have experienced, we don't have that equipment. Yeah, just students just learn to follow that, but we don't have the experiment for the students. And another difference is methodology. You know, in Cambodia, in the high school I experienced, the students learn, we say, dependent learners. But in Nyland College, students are independent learners. Yeah. And another difference is that in Cambodia, in the high school I experienced, the students learn only the theory. They follow the theory without practice. But in Nyland College, you know, the students learn the theory and then they practice, so they understand clearly what they have learned so far. And what is more, in Nyland College, teacher just set the question for students, and the students find the answer by themselves. So don't need to tell the student. They can find the answer by themselves. But the high school I experienced, you know, students just wait to get the answer from the teachers. So just sit down and wait for the answer from teachers. And another difference is that, you know, for the student in Cambodian I experienced, they pay respect with teacher with this one, they press their hand together and bow. But in Nyland College, they say hello. That is it. Yeah. So that is differences. Okay, similarities. Both school in Cambodia I experienced and Nyland College are safe for students to learn, right? And both schools have appropriate chairs and table for students to learn. And the biggest difference is that the students in both schools, they wear school uniform, right? They wear school uniform. And another similarity is that, you know, teacher and student in both schools are friendly. Between student and teacher, they are very friendly. They just look at you and say, hello, hi, very friendly to us. In Cambodia as well. And they are very close to each other, even in Cambodia, high school I experienced, and also Nyland College. They are not scared of the teacher, you know, they say, close, okay, talk to me, friendly. Yeah. And finally, I can find that, based on my observation, the biggest difference is equipment, and whereas the biggest similarity is school uniforms. But however, there's more differences than similarity between Nyland College and high school I experienced in Cambodia, in my country. So this is the end of my presentation. So thank you.